Welcome to a new Cosmic Review. Today we have a very special product, or rather 6 different special products straight from South Korea. Let me show you. Shasham! HBAF almonds with 6 different flavors. Wow, this is some kind of new almond products from South Korea. So what we have is first wasabi almond. Then we have cookies and cream almond. Then caramel salted almond with pretzel. Pretzel. Oh, and hot spicy chicken almond. Is this like... This is gonna be like bulldog, I think. Then garlic bread almond. And lastly, incheolmi almond. What is this? I think this is some classic Korean flavor or Asian flavor. I don't know. Anyway. HBAF. How do you pronounce it? Is it HBAF or HBAF? I call it HBAF. So, yeah, I have my plates here. Let's go ahead and open them up. First, let's start with the spicy one. Easy to open, bonus points. No need scissors. Ooh, look at this. Almond. They don't smell spicy. Let's put some spicy almonds here. Ooh, nice. And then we have the incheolmi almond. What about this one? Ooh, it smells sweet. This one I'm gonna like, I think. Oh, soft noise. ASMR. And then garlic bread. Let's see if it smells like garlic. Oh, it is actually just garlic bread pieces or something. I don't know. What is this? They have garlic bread pieces with like a couple of almond only. Like it's like a mix. Nice. And then I think I'm gonna go with cookies and cream almond. Oh yeah, it's like Oreo, just like I expected. I ran out of the plates, transparent, so I'm gonna put them in a cup. Like this. Oreo almonds, how are they gonna taste like? We're gonna find out soon. Then we have caramel salted almond pretzel. Okay. Okay, look. They have actual pretzels inside. And lastly, wasabi almond. Maybe the least favorite one for me. Oh yeah, wasabi. Just like when you go to sushi place. Again, I ran out of transparent mugs also, so I'm gonna put them in the shot glass. Like this. Short glass put to a good use, look. We have wasabi almond nuts. So, now we have a choice. Which one should we start first? I think you have to go from salted to sweet and then lastly the spicy, because you don't want to ruin your taste buds. So let's start off with the garlic, because that one is the most saltiest, I think. It's like the breadcrumbs that you get with the salad, Caesar salad. And then we have the almond. Okay. It's a little bit sweet. What is the nutrient value? 16 protein, good. 21 grams of sugar, so how did they end up putting sugar in garlic bread? I don't get it. Yeah, this one is really sweet. I thought it's gonna be salty, but it's actually super sweet. I don't like this one. This one? 6 out of 10. Don't put sugar in a garlic bread. There's no point of that. Next, we have pretzel and caramel salted almond. Yeah, I hope this one is not sweet. Well, caramel salted, so I guess it's sweet. Pretzel that is sweet with salted caramel. Honestly, what they were thinking when they made this. It's not as sweet as this garlic bread. Yeah, 16 sugar only. This one had like 20. 14 grams of protein, so at least protein here. 6.5 out of 10. So far this review has not been so great because the taste was not good. Okay, let's hope this Gilim almond fixes it. For the looks of it, it looks like some kind of mochi maybe. But yeah, definitely sweet. We have 29 grams of sugar, so this is gonna be super sweet. But 16 protein, so let's see. So they have soft outer layer of something called Gilim, and then inside the almond nut. To be honest, even though this one had more sugar, it tasted less sweet. Also, it tasted better because it's supposed to be sugary. You don't put sugar in pretzel or garlic bread. Yeah, this one is pleasant flavor. I would eat this a lot. Yeah, it seems like to have some kind of milk and coconut butter. Yeah, even some cheese here. I don't know what that is. Is this cheese that they're making? Nobody knows, but 8 out of 10. This is good. Oh, cookies and cream. The classic Oreo. 31 grams of sugar, 13 grams of protein, and I expect the same soft outer layer maybe. Tastes a lot like Oreo. And inside almond. I don't know if Oreo fits with the almonds, to be honest. Let's try to take only the Oreo oil layer. It's not as good as Oreo, it's some kind of knockoff brand cookies and cream. Good idea, I guess, but 7.8 out of 10. 2 more to go, the spicy ones. Let's start off with the wasabi from the shot glass. Wasabi from the shot glass, let's go. Ooh, it's in the throat. The wasabi flavor is not so strong. Like almost non-existent. You can taste it when you bite it, but it's not burning your throat for some reason. So, is this like artificial wasabi flavor without the actual wasabi? 19 grams of protein, 16 grams of sugar, so this one is the least amount of sugar of them all, I think. Yeah, I could see them eating this as a snack when you watch a movie or something. But yeah, It's pretty meh also. 7.5 out of 10. Come on, HBAF. Don't let me get disappointed. Like, I was expecting this review for a long time. And so far, there all have been disappointments. Except this one. The chicken, hot spicy flavor, it's got to be good. Otherwise, I'm gonna cry. Okay. It's hard. Ooh. Oh, it's hit in the throat. It's... Oh, this is spicy. Oh. It's like actually the bulldog level of spice. I have to be honest, like I put the bulldog sauce in my pasta yesterday and this is burning the same amount, the 1 times spicy bulldog. Whew. Oh, see that I dropped it. 5-second rule. I think this is the most interesting of them all because it's spicy. It has a 20 grams of protein. It's good snack if you like heat. I think this one is 8.5 out of 10. So, HBAF almond snacks from South Korea. I have to say that I'm a little bit disappointed. You have to improve your recipe somehow, like don't make it so sweet. Almond is supposed to be like salty. When you buy a bag of peanuts or a bag of any nuts, you don't want them to be sweet, you want them to be salty. Some companies they put like dried fruit with the nuts to make them mix so you have some sweetness in between, but don't cover them with like sugar. It's not like this one was the most stupidest of them all, like garlic bread covered with like some kind of syrup. Like I'm gonna lower the rating to 5 out of 10. This is not good. And this pretzel, yeah, this is 6 out of 10. To be honest, this in Cholmi, this is where you hit the sweet spot because you put the sweetness from the actual milk, not some kind of caramel like syrup. So, HBAF company, do more of this. This is good. I'm gonna raise the rating to 8.3 out of 10. This is really 8.5 out of 10. Okay, let's be generous. And the Oreo, it just don't fit, but I guess you can make a lot of sales with this because everybody loves cookies and cream, especially the Americans. Yeah, these two, 8.5 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10, possibly a solid 7.5 out of 10. So yeah, HBAF company, here's the, I hope you take, if somebody watching from the company, take this into considerations and make the recipes better. And if you want, you can send me more, I will review them for you. I'm your man, I always tell the honest reviews, okay? Yeah, thanks for watching this Consumer Goods review. This has been interesting, to say the least. Interesting, but disappointment at the same time. I'll see you guys in the next Consumer Goods review, and make sure to comment below. Do you have this in your country, HBAF, and how do you pronounce it? And do they have any other flavors than these 6? Because I'm interested to try. Almonds are very healthy. I usually eat them just raw, but flavored almonds are an interesting concept. I think if you put like some kind of taco powder on the almonds, that will be a great mix. Like just put taco powder with almonds. it will taste great. So here's a free tip for you guys. The company is HBAF. But yeah, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next epic consumer good expert review. Follow Myro on social media, links below. Thanks for watching. Ooh, Doge. Doge is back with